Fumi Nation. How are you? How are we? My name is Fumidesaluvold. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, you're so very welcome indeed. You're going to enjoy this. Lots of you come and say, Fumi, my God, your eyes are looking fabulous, very bright and nice. And I said, well, thank you. I did an episode for you about 2 years ago where I had showed you what I did and what I used to brighten up your eyes. But that episode, the product that I used in that episode, not many of you could get it in America and other countries. Then, my darlings, because we're going to keep it real simple, it's not that crazy. The game changer for me, there will be nothing ever like Optrix. Optrix brightening eye drops for dull eyes, for dazzling eyes in an instant. Optrix. This is it. And this are the eye drops right here. I tell you, when you open it, the seal, don't let it touch your eye. You put one drop in, there you go. Stay upside down. Let that really soak in. Yeah. One more there. Now, this, I'm just doing it for you guys to see how it's done, okay? Although I am positive that you know how to, put your eye drops. Make sure it doesn't touch your eye. But here's the kicker. Do it just before you sleep. Your eyes will be white all day long. And it occurred to me because once you do it, shut your eyes. You're resting. You're shut down for 8 hours. Needless to say, I went to this fabulous event, yeah, and I was introduced to this other fabulous product. And I said, let me come and share with Fumi Nation here because they love this kind of thing. If I do, I know they do. So I'm going to pull up a little bit. And my eyes are a little bit reddish. Sometimes in the mornings they can be quite, blurry. So I'm just going to show you. The product here is called Lumify. I don't know, maybe some of you have heard of it, maybe some of you have not. Let me just get some tissue, okay? And it is the absolute best. The absolute best. Dare I say, better than the bright eye drops I was using last 2 years, Optrix. This one is even better. Less than a minute and you will see the difference. Is it expensive? I would consider it relatively expensive. It is about, I spent about £30 in total for it. But when I tell you, the result was something else. So without any further ado, let me put it on for you so that you guys can see, okay? So, like I said, it's called Lumify. And it instantly brightens out your eyes, okay? Put one on. Oh, you'll see the difference. You'll see the difference. Okay. Just leave that for a little bit. How are you, my darlings? I don't use this every day. That's another thing I want you guys to know. I don't use this every day. I use it when I'm going out and I just want to feel bright and fresh. Sometimes Adrian will come into my bed, it's not sleeping well, or I have deadlines or whatever, and so, you know, I just might just have that night where I have to wake up and I gotta look great, and this does it for me. Do you see the difference? Do you see how I had red in the corners of this eye? Can you see how it's gone? This, my darlings, is a beast. I absolutely live for it, and I wanted to show you. I'm going to let it sit for a little longer so that you can see how white it gets. I'm just trying to get the excess so it doesn't drip. There we go. So what happened was, I wanted to do this. Oh my God, can you see? Can you see how bright this looks? Lumify is the deal. If you want to have beautiful, bright, fabulous eyes, go ahead with Lumify, okay? So Lumify, you can get it on eBay. For those of you that are in the UK, you can get it at Lumify on their website, and it has a beautiful, healthy looking eyes start here. And they've got all kinds of products here, but of course the eye drops were the big thing. And it says here, for over a century and a half, Basuch and Loam have been researching, editing and engineering innovative materials, technologies and eye health solutions with integrity, persistence and excellence. Every product we create is rooted in science and rigorously tested, ensuring that the unique formulas meet the highest standards and have effective, visible results. Because a lot of you might be wondering, what is in it? Will it affect my eyes? Will it irritate my eyes? All of this. The website is there for you to know. And it says, we know eyes. We are an expert when it comes to eyes. For over a century and a half, Bausch and Lomb have been researching, editing and engineering innovative materials, technologies and eye health solutions with what? With integrity. And there you have it. Okay, so I'm going to put the link here. I'm going to put the website. I'm going to put all kinds of pieces there for you to see and know, and you go right ahead and try it out for yourselves. But this has been the best when it comes to brightening up my eyes instantly. That's Adrian. All right, my darlings, don't forget to like, to subscribe, hit the notification button, my darlings, and I will see you what? I will see you sooner than later. All of my love. Mwah. Ula decided to do an episode with me for the very first time, and thank you so very much for all of the compliments, for all of the best wishes. It means a lot to me. It really does. I bullied him. I bullied him. I said, Ula, let me tell you something. You don't come on my show, no cookies for a month. Let me see how you're gonna work that out. I was serious too. I said, come on, support me. Only joking. He liked it too. He liked it. But like so many of you said on the episode, we are opposite. All right, we are having a wonderful episode today. Before I start, I have an Amazon storefront. I have an American Amazon storefront. I am going to get an Amazon UK storefront because I feel that you guys have found a niche in me, and it's all about how-tos, and I don't mind that. But I also want you guys to have direct access to all of the products where you can just click and buy. And so I'm going to put them in my Amazon storefront. All the products I mentioned will be in the UK storefront down in the description box below. Where for me, if you just see the little arrow, click on it, it will collapse, meaning that it will unfold, and you will see all of the information right there below. All of my discount codes will be right down below. All of the ingredients right down below. Everything will be in the description box. Every once in a while, I'll go into the comment section, pin something for you guys where I'll make the comment and I'll pin it so that no matter what, when you want to leave a comment, you see my comment there. If it's something where I feel that, you know what, you guys just might not go into the description box. I'll put it there for you guys. First thing, sleep. Sleep, 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 sleep. I will pass on my ladies that have had babies, just had babies, because when I had Adrian for the first year, I did not sleep. My eyes were as red as tomato juice, and there was nothing I could do about it. All right? You have to try and get some sleep. It will help lessen the redness in your eyes. Absolutely. All right? Try not to have irritated things touching your eyes, your waterline. If you are somebody that wears glasses and you get really watery eyes because you're trying to put on that liner in the waterline, don't do it. Your eyes are aggravated for a reason, because perhaps yours are much more sensitive than others. So you have to really listen to your body and listen to what it's telling you. If you are reacting to something, it's because you're doing something wrong, and in so doing, it's reacting to let you know that it's not working. Contact lenses sometimes, dirty fingers, that's another thing, can make the eyes look dusty, grimy, red. You don't want any of that.